What's going on, YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the ViewFlex smartphone video grip. Now you can get this on Amazon.com for 30 bucks, and it comes in a couple different varieties. So make sure if you want this specific one that you look for the VF-H2. I'll put the link in the description if at the end of the video you want to check one out personally. Alright, now this is it has a full metal hand grip with width adjustment phone clamp for iPhone X, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S8, Samsung Note 3, and the Huawei phones. The ViewFlex VF-H2 utilizes the balancing technology for design, integrated into functions such as one-touch video control for video shooting, detachable electronic Bluetooth remote control, compatible with both iOS and Android systems, extensible with flexible combination. VF-H can make your shooting techniques more professional. You have a smartphone clamp that is easy to install, versatile handheld mobile phone clamp, full video capture. The bottom has a 1/4 standard screw hole for mounting the tripods. You can use it in one-hand shooting mode and shooting with a mini tripod. The handle is extended from 1.9 inches to 3.6 inches and also 4.84 inches. So let's open this up and check it out. Get a ViewFlex card, and this is what you're working with. So you have a nice sturdy handle right here, which unscrews from the phone mount. Then at the bottom of this, the bottom of the handle, you also have a threaded mount, so you can put it on a tripod also. Check this out. Now this is your phone clamp, which is extendable. So easy to extend the phone mount. So let me try it on my phone. Now this is Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So you mount it something like that. Then you would probably secure it down there a little bit. Tighten the screw on here. Probably until it wasn't tight no more. You put that back on there. Tighten that a little bit. And this is what you will be left with. So anybody who likes doing selfie or vlogs or anything like that, this would be ideal. You can also shoot like a regular camera would. You just would be using your cell phone or whatever. If you connected this to a tripod, and you could just shoot regular footage, and just set it up like you would normally and shoot it like that. So I added, there's a spot up here, and I'm thinking it's not a hot shoe mount, but it's just a shoe mount, because I'm doubting it gives you any power or anything like that. But I connected it on here, and this is what it looks like. So I mean, it gives you a semi-professional looking rig. I mean, it's not for like I mean, I guess you could shoot videos on it, like if you're doing music videos or something like that. But this is more for vloggers and people like that. And you could do like a little interview or something quick with this. And I mean, it gives you a more professional look than just holding your phone and be like, oh, look at me, I mean, I want an interview or something like this. So this gives you a little bit more professional look, in my opinion. But it's a pretty decent The build quality, I would think, is really good. The build quality on here is solid. Like, this is really solid right in here. This is really solid. So all in all, I would think if you're in the market for this and you're blogging, this would be a good product to get. So after reviewing the ViewFlex, I would say that this is definitely a good product if you're in the market for it. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that there's 7 different options. Product, really sturdy product. The handle is definitely sturdy. It kind of reminds you of anybody who used to ride bikes, the pegs that you would put on your tires, you know what I mean, ride somebody on the pegs, or you want to do some tricks or something like that. It kind of reminds you of that. Really solid, really hard feel, and the clamp is not bad itself. It has a little like hard plastic feel, but it doesn't feel like it'll break after one drop or a few drops or something like that. It seems pretty sturdy. But it's Dio, aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.